Hello and welcome. I'm Elaine Didier, Director of the Gerald Ford Presidential Library and Museum, located in Ann Arbor and Grand Rapids, Michigan. My colleagues and I are pleased to introduce you to our new virtual museum series. The library and museum are proud to be one of the presidential libraries within the National Archives and Records Administration. We are honored to be stewards of the many congressional, presidential, and personal papers and artifacts of both President Ford, Mrs. Ford, and many members of the Ford administration. Thanks to the support of the National Archives and the Ford Presidential Foundation, we are able to bring our collections to life for you. Please take your time and enjoy your virtual tour experience at the Gerald R. Ford Presidential Museum.
The museum features a full-size reproduction of the White House's Oval Office. In this exhibit, we feature many of the things that were personal to Gerald Ford. The objects that you see behind me, the things in the bookcases on top of the desk, are all original to Gerald Ford's Oval Office. The furniture, the carpet, those were reproduced by Grand Rapidians, as it turns out. The chair behind his desk is his chair from the Oval Office, and it was in the Oval Office, which is the most famous office in America, where Gerald Ford made some of his most important, most public, toughest decisions. It was from this room that he read to the United States the pardoning address to Richard Nixon. Here he met with foreign leaders. Here he reorganized his cabinet. Many important decisions made by presidents, and particularly President Ford, in the Oval Office.
Hello again. I'm Elaine Didier, Director of the Gerald Ford Presidential Library and Museum. I hope you've enjoyed your virtual experience today and will continue to explore the many virtual and in-person experiences we offer at both the library and the museum. Our exhibits and programming are made possible through the support of the National Archives and Records Administration and the generous contributions of donors to the Gerald Ford Presidential Foundation. If you enjoyed your tour today, please consider joining the Foundation's Friends of Ford, which supports many of our activities. Now, we invite you to continue your virtual experience on our website, fordlibrarymuseum.gov. That's all one word, fordlibrarymuseum.gov, and explore more than 600,000 pages of documents and photos from our archival collections, images of museum artifacts, as well as video recordings of numerous outstanding speakers we have hosted at both the library and museum. Thank you for spending your time with us today, and we look forward to seeing you in person very soon.